Hello, I'm Jiro from SONGU Laser.
I'm Lily from SONGU Laser, and we are excited to announce that SONGU Laser will be attending Welding Korea 2024.
At this event, we will be showcasing our 5 laser cutting machine along with our high-end models.
Yes, SONGU Laser provides a wide range of laser solutions covering stainless steel, brass, and aluminum alloy laser cutting applications.
By the way, Welding Korea 2024 is the nation's oldest and largest welding show, taking place from October 15 to 18, 2024 in Changwon Exhibition Convention Center.
This exhibition offers automated welding systems, machinery, materials, inspection tools, cutting machinery, components, and safety equipment, all for the welding industry.
We can't wait to see you there. Come visit us at our booth B26 to learn more about the latest innovations in laser technology.
See you at Welding Korea 2024.